Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add captions to video in Capcut. If you have created a video using Capcut and now you want subtitles onto it or any sort of caption, so I'll show you the easiest way to do it. So first you have to make sure you have the Capcut app. If you have so, just simply open it up. Once the app gets open, you will be onto this page where you can create the new project. So for that, click onto new project and from your media files choose any video or work that you would like to work on. Now once you have pasted the video, you can just simply move to the point where you want to start adding the captions or any sort of text. Then you will see this option called text. Click onto it and then you get different options. First we have this first option called add text. Once you click onto it, you can literally type anything and put on screen. Once you're done, just simply it will be there. Then you can click onto it and can move it anywhere you would like to. And you can also select how long you want it to be or not. Then we have the auto captions. It automatically generate captions for your videos. This is AI based and you have to get its subscription to use it. For free version you cannot use it. Then we have the text templates. These are the combination of different fonts, color, design, animation, effects. So you put on your video. These are mostly used when we do the titles, but there are other ones like the vlog, daily ones. You can use them as well in between the video. So you can go with a simple text. You can also go with the templates and you can also choose the auto captions. Just simply type whatever you would like to and it will appear on your screen. Later on you can customize the whole text as per your preferences. So if you're using the simple text, then you can type anything that you would like to. In the fonts you will find different fonts. Again, there are different categories for the font. You can use it. In this style option you can give color, the border and different options. In the effects we have some effects that are related to text like the paper art or any other type of art, as you can see. So you can choose any one of these, you will apply on your text, and after that you can also select the duration. And in the animation there are some other simple and basic animations you can check, and you can also set their duration, like how long you want it to be there. And in the bubbles you will find some background, or you can say the sticky note type of thing behind your text. And in the preset, if you have anything related to brand, you will set there. So this is just an example. This is how you can create the text. While using these way you can create captions. I have only added one text. You can do it through the whole captions, like whatever captions you have you can do it for all. And if you go for automatic captions, then you have to get a subscription. In that way you don't have to type the captions as by yourself. Everything will be done by AI. So that's how you can add captions on video in CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.